Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning to another video. So we're gonna be doing our market recap, but before we do so, please like the video so we can make the algorithm happy to get the video out to traders like you. So today is a red day. Today, the market is not presenting as much opportunity as I would like, or maybe the market is not in favorable for my strategy, which is perfectly fine. Today, I'm good. I don't have any issues. I don't feel no type of emotion in terms of feeling like FOMO into trading anything. So that's always a thumbs up, green. And we're gonna have times like this where the market doesn't present the opportunity and we're just walking away either with no trade or red. And as you will see in a few, the loss is not that much. It's basically my max loss. And yeah, so overall, I feel good. Just to give you an update on my mental, my psychology, I do feel good. And as long as I'm feeling good mental wise, I think that's always a goal. That's always green to me. That's always good to me. The reason why, because psychology is one of the hardest things to overcome as a trader. And that was one of the things that have recently been playing uh, a deep part of my growth in trading. So the fact that I'm kind of keeping everything locked in, I'm focused. So when the time comes for me to put real money or to fund a live account, everything should be good. I shouldn't have any issue, which, we're human beings, so we're gonna have issues here and there, but as long as I'm keeping it locked in. All right, so we're just gonna jump in and do a little quick recap. Not gonna waste no time. So let's lock in. Wait, actually, damn, this is the wrong. Whatever. So anyway, I traded two stocks. Don't worry about RDW. That was something I had left overnight from yesterday. So this don't count. So I took how many trades? I took one, two. Let me see, one, two. I think it's three. One, two, three. So three trades. So also that's good. No over trading, because that's another thing that I realized that for me, when I over trade, I usually walk away with a big red day. And me understanding that now can tighten up and make sure that I'm not over trading. So one, I'm either securing profit, or two, I'm putting a cap on my loss. All right, so first trade I took was on, oh no, actually it's three. Like I said, don't worry about this. So we have NAMM. We took a quick entry at now 9:39, so like around here. Got in at 9, no, at 4.94. So up here at the top, I basically got the top, and then it rolled over. Took my I had my stop loss ready, and I stopped out at 480, somewhere down here. That was a loss. Next trade that I took was on PDYN. Oh, which was the stock we was just looking at, and I took that trade around 947, like around here. Got in at 890, basically at the top, looking for a curl. It didn't work out. Wasn't enough buyers to push it higher, and then we rolled over. I took the L for that one, and then the last trade, which was on the same stock, and I entered around 1004 on this candle right here. I did put a stop order, but I put the stop order at 819. For some reason, it got filled at 8:30 and it closed me out. And that was just the last straw of the day, because I'm like, There's no reason for me to stick around. Market is not moving how I want to. Basically, everything is rolling over. Let me see if I can show you. Basically, it's everything is rolling over. Everything I had on my watch list. I had this, that's rolled over. I had this as well, rolling over. AZI, choppy. So, and then we have NAMM, which is tanking. So, right sign, right thing to do to walk away, because as you can see, there's nothing there going in the direction I want to. And I don't feel like shorting any stock because one, a lot of these are not shortable. I would have to look for shares to short it, and I can't. So I'm gonna walk away with the L. So I should be down $272 on the day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of the day. It's Key Life. Peace.